So I had a question somebody asked in the discussion forum about how do I know how many classes to use? The book talks about between 5 and 20, and how do you know what's the best number to use? Well, there's no right answer, single right answer. But what I thought I'd show you this applet, and it works really well for this kind of question. So let me go back. So this is in the week 2 area. I had this link out to the chapter 2 data from the textbook. And so if you click on that link, I thought I had 3 and 4. I better update this page. But anyway, so I'm going to open up that link. Yeah, it forces you to make a copy of the spreadsheet. So if you don't have a Gmail account, I encourage you to get one. You won't be sorry. I know it's another email account, but it just works really well. And I've got all the data broken out. I think I did this by table number. I don't think I did it by exercise number. Let's find a good set of data. That one won't work really well. Oh, here we go. Here's the homework. So this is the income from males. There was one I was looking at about medical costs. Here you go. So this is table 212. I think it was in section 2, question 10. Not totally sure. So I'm going to highlight this data. I'm hoping the dollar signs don't matter. I might have to clear those out. So what I've done, I've selected all the data. I've got a mouse, but you can do this to trackpad. Click on the first cell and drag it all down. And then you want to do hold the control button down and press C. If you're on a Mac, you want to do the command or Apple button and then C. And that copies that into your clipboard memory. And then you go out to this interactive, show to where I'll link it in the forum. And this builds histograms for us. And I'm going to clear this data out, and I'm going to paste this data in, and hopefully it doesn't mind the dollar signs. Yeah, see, it doesn't like the dollar signs. So just a minute here. I'm going to go back and get fancy. I guess I'll record it. Maybe you don't know how to do this. So let me find my data. Let's see here. I get trouble as I get this bar in the way. Can I collapse that? No, I did it. Oh, there we go. So what I'm going to do, here we go. Now, this is some old stuff I was doing with another copy of it. What I'm going to do is, let's see. Here we go. You notice how when I click on that, there's no dollar sign there? I'm just going to change the format. I'm going to select that data and format number plain text. Let's try that. Nope, that didn't do it. I guess I'm going to undo that. Troubleshooting 101, huh? Let's see. Let's see. Let me select this all. You guys probably already know how to do this. You're just watching me stumble around. Let's see. Format, number. Let's just go number, see what that does. Oh, there we go. It won't mind the decimals. Okay, so then I'm going to Control-C that. And you can't worry. I mean, you aren't going to mess up the spreadsheet. If anything, if you make your copy and you mess it up, just delete it and go get another copy. So let's see. I'm going to come to Interact. I'm going to clear this data. I'm going to paste in that. I'm going to update it. Oh, it liked it. So now here's what we can do. Do you see? This actually tells me how wide each of the classes are, wide the bins are, and we can change what change our scale this way on the y-axis. But then what's so cool about it is you can just drag that thing and it increases, decreases the number by the width. It looks like that's increasing it. So that's increasing the width. So let's scale it back down. See, I don't think 3 bars isn't enough. Let's go until I have 5 bars, and that's what the book said. See, 5 bars. I'm seeing a right skewed distribution. I don't know if that's enough. I'm gonna go a few more. And I'm liking what I'm seeing here. I'm liking the more bars. See, now there's a gap that appeared. If I want to avoid gaps, I probably want to stop there. Nothing wrong with that histogram. So what is there? 6 classes. Somewhere here you can even see the table. Let's see. Show frequency table. There we go. So there's the table. It shows you the bin widths, and not very nice bin widths, but and it shows you the hits is just the frequency. Okay, and there's a bar graph. And now, you can screen capture this if you know how to do that on a PC, you know, a Windows 7 or actually Vista has it too. I hope you're not still using Vista for you. Vista or better, you have the snipping tool. I encourage you to find the snipping tool and that's a great little. I've got mine on my taskbar, so all I got to do is oh, you aren't going to be able to see that. Yeah, I can't show it to you that. But if you snip on the snipping tool, then you can draw a rectangle around what you want. Save the file, upload it to Moodle, or you know, paste it into a document. It works pretty slick. So I encourage you to check out this applet. You might like it. I mean, it's certainly better than the graphing calculator histogram. And Excel and Google Sheets are coming along. They're starting to develop these kind of graphs too. I don't think they're quite there yet. Certainly not as easy as this. Okay, so this video is long enough. I hope that helps you use this to determine how many bins to use, how many classes to use.